Today, I wanted to dive into the future of Keep Productive and what we have planned for 2023. So we've got a new branding, a new vision, a new structure to what we're doing. And it primarily focuses on us being the best place on the internet to find productivity tools. Whether that's finding them, enhancing them, we want to be the place to be the one place to find it all. And that's been a really interesting journey because I started this channel when it was just me, and now it's evolving into a bigger team, bigger branding, bigger vision. I'm really excited for what that will bring. So we're doing that through 3 different ways that will be evolving over the next couple of months. And the first of those is Tool Finder. This will be a site that is focused on helping you to find the right tool with all of the relevant information behind it. Think about Wikipedia, but for productivity tools. We're going to be launching that. There should be a link in the description of this announcement. And also we're going to be really sort of enhancing it with experts. That's another thing we'll come to. The second thing we're launching and really enhancing is Tool Academy. This is something we launched a while ago with a bunch of free courses, but we're now going to bundle in tool courses, tool skills, where you can really enhance your skills using a specific tool, and also bring in more experts to dive into topics, as well as freebies, workbooks and templates that you can download all from this one location. And finally, the third thing that we're introducing is Tool Experts. This is our network of amazing people who know the tools inside and out. We're not only going to recommend them, but we're going to bring them on Keep Productive on a routine basis to give you the best and most knowledgeable advice about the topic that they specialize in best. Whether that's a tool or a type of productivity, I cannot wait to really formalize this and make this our network that really just enhances what you're doing. So I'm really excited. We are growing the team. Charlotte is joining us in January, who's going to be writing and managing our content with us. And Steve will continue with us editing. And we're just growing the concept and really refining a lot of the processes. We're also working a lot more on Bento in the background to really introduce something very different, hopefully in the middle to late of 2023. So thank you so much all for supporting us here on Keep Productive. One of the things that I noticed will probably be the biggest change is that I might be not in as many videos as before, but the key thing is I've got a brand new channel that you can come and join me on. And we can talk about productivity apps, productivity resources, and just the general opinions, because I wanted to try and remove the opinion side of Keep Productive, because obviously we want to be more of a resource versus an opinion base. But you can find me for my opinions over on my own channel, which I'll link below. So that side of stuff is still alive and kicking. Definitely find me there to get that, the sort of raw opinions for sure. Anyway, thank you so much for supporting Keep Productive. If you haven't invited or recommended it to a friend, please do recommend it. Please, we're trying to grow our users and definitely help as many people as we can with productivity tools and skills in the future. So thanks very much, folks, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to have a great week and keep productive. Cheerio. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you're interested in checking out some more, you'll find them here. And also you can subscribe to as well. It'd be great to have you here to optimize your tool. And if you're interested in our new email newsletters or our Bento application, or even Tool Finder, which is a new tool that we've created to help you find the perfect productivity tool, you can find it linked in the description.